Hey, what's up you guys? Yes, it's Jordan, and as you can tell by the title of the video above, today's video is going to be a little unboxing video. If I uploaded the actual video, then my last video would have been me unboxing BTS Map Missile 7. If you've watched that, you would know that I am not the best when it comes to unboxing videos. So I decided that because I have this, I should film an unboxing video for it, even though the album that it isn't. Unboxing videos aren't really relevant for it. I still thought I should film an unboxing for it, because of exactly what's inside. You probably already know from the title, so I'm just gonna say it right away. What's in here is a Han Jisung signed Stray Kids Levanter album. It's the one with the blue cover. I don't exactly know what version that one is, but it's the one with the blue cover. I do already have that version of the album, and I already know what photo cards are inside of it. I just don't know what second page it is, so yeah. I think that clears everything up for now, so let's just get on to the video. I did not cover my address on the other side, so I'm going to try really hard not to show the other side of the packaging. So this is the album that I got, and the photo cards. Oh. So apparently the person that I bought it from gave me a little Polaroid of all of the members, and then this little note. So this is the person that I bought it from, in case you would like to check them out. Also, they didn't put what their Depop is, and that is where I bought it from, so I will put their username right over here for you in case you want to go and check out the other things that they are selling there, because they are incredibly nice and sweet, and yeah, I recommend you go and check out their shop. So yes. So for the second page, which they didn't put in the description, so I have no idea who this is, I think for mine, I have Seungmin, either Seungmin or Lino, I don't completely remember. Okay, so it's Seungmin. So I just have double Seungmins. Okay, here are the photo cards. I already know what photo cards they are, so it's these two Seungmin ones and this Felix one. I don't have this Felix one, but I don't collect Seungmin, so these I'm going to be trading for other photo cards, but this one I definitely need because I don't have it yet. And I'm going to quickly flip through the actual photo book just to not make this video like 5 minutes long. I think for this album, Levanter, my favorite song is probably Sunshine, and when I first heard it, it sounded like they were like right directly next to me and singing it directly next to me. I can't be the only one that thought that when hearing it, because I told my friend about it, who also likes Stray Kids, and they thought the same thing. So yeah, they thought the same thing as me. So I was just putting that out there. And on the back is the track list. My favorites are Sunshine and You Can Stay. When I watched the not necessarily music video, but not lyric video either, I guess you could say music video, for this song for the very first time, I cried. Just putting that out there. I cried while watching it because it was really, it wasn't sad necessarily, but it wasn't necessarily happy in my opinion either. It was weird, but here is the CD, which has Jisung or Han's signature on it. I don't necessarily know what is upside down and what is not, so I'll just show it both ways just in case. So yeah, that is everything that is in this album. So I'll zoom in a little bit more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up because that shows me you enjoyed it. Also comment down below some other videos you would like me to make, because I finally have some time to actually focus on this channel instead of abandoning it all the time. So hopefully I'll be able to upload more than just once every like 2 or 3 months. I'll be able to upload at least once or twice a month, if not once a week, but that is not a promise, and I'm not promising that, but I will promise that I will upload at least once a month. At least once a month. So yeah, also look in the description box down below because I have a small list of videos that I plan on uploading. It's not necessarily that they will be uploaded, but I do plan on eventually filming them and getting them uploaded. And also look in the description box because I have all of my social media accounts down there in case you want to go and check them out, because I am more active on there than I am on here. And lastly, click the big red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so you get notified every time that I upload, because if you haven't noticed, I don't exactly upload very often. So yeah, I think that's it. So I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that'll be. Good damn bye.